How to get group funds in Roblox. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Roblox application or the Roblox website. You can go ahead and do these methods in your iOS device, Android device, or your Windows computer. Right after that, you want to navigate through the create category of Roblox. On your computer, you can just go ahead and click on the create button above your screen and you will be taken to your account right here. Inside, you want to click on creations, click on avatar items, and from here you could just go ahead and click on clothing. You want to go ahead and create a classic clothing right here on t-shirt, and you could just go ahead and publish that inside your group by clicking on the drop down menu right here. You want to click on this drop down menu and you want to select your group. Now, right after publishing that specific clothing or that specific t-shirt, you can just go ahead and get your fellow member groups to buy that specific t-shirt, and all of the credits that are taken from that sale will be transferred as group funds. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.